Hello my friends, this is Hani Amri. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm glad to see you here. And if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working from home as affiliate since 2015. I've did many mistakes. I've struggled a lot, but I've did it successful business since the middle of 2017. In this video and the other videos, I'm sharing my actual experience and what happened to me for in my online journey working from home since early 2014. I've started thinking about it, and then I moved to plan this business and my actual steps I took in 2015, and you can see the other steps and my experience in if you watch my other videos. So I will see you after this short break. Welcome back again, my friends. Today I'm gonna speak about something so important, which is how to set your mindset to working online. Even if you have a job right now or any other commitment, and you feel you want to change, to do the change, not exactly in this time or in this minute or today or this year. Maybe you think about it for the future. For me, I did this change. I started thinking and planning and then implementing my online business. I mean, like to have actual experience, to prepare my son, who is now a college student, to work online because I don't like him to go to a traditional business. The internet and the technology is dominating the market now and in the near future, and you understand what I'm saying now. So you, if you are freshly graduate or even any age you are now, or already have your own job and feel that you want to plan something for your retirement, for your future, to secure your family and enjoy better life than it is now. So you need like to set up your mindset to work online from home. And this business, it's good, really good for this kind of business, is to take time. Start thinking about it when you really like the idea and satisfied about it. Start to plan for it. Let's this process take time. It's better for you because it's building a knowledge, like building a home. I start from the basement and going up with the structure, little bit bricks over brick, and then after that you'll start with the finishing. So now we are think about building your knowledge. First of all, because I'm speaking about the mindset, you make your mind you wanna work online from home. This is the first decision you took. Then start to plan it. I mean, what to plan it? It's easy to take. The step you wanna take first is like you have 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, maybe sometimes people have offered the weekend much more hours. You are spending good time with your family at home, laying down on your couch, and then you you are socializing with people. So take like 30 minutes maybe over the weekend an hour to watch videos on only type on your search bar or on your browser how to work from home or how to set up online business or how to make money from home. This is that will brings you a lot of videos, tutorials, people speak, giving advice, things like this. So day by day, your knowledge will grow, and maybe within a year, you'll find yourself. This is easy to go for it and to run to start it. Then, good if you if you buy or have access to books, ebooks, PDFs, the videos is really good tool to uh, go for it now and start watching. And when you start watching this video, and you find yourself you have question, write a comment below for me and others, then ask a question and we'll, wait for answer. There is an email address, you can email me or others. You can join forums, groups, you can go to quora.com, to reddit.com, and then socialize with people, be a member of a community, and then ask a question, or maybe you will find people asking you a question, you can give answers. That's really good, and you will find yourself giving the society, giving people, or delivering value. And this is the life, is to socialize and is to interact and to give and take and asking for help and giving help to others. So setting up your mindset is for working online, and then from here you can go to the next steps. But I highly recommend you take your time. There is no any rushing. You try to find the trusty resources, being like some people, some courses, some academies who giving information. Some of the information is really valuable and good to watch and to invest your time there. Maybe others you will find it is not for you, you don't like it. So really good you start building your knowledge, because you're gonna want. For me, I left my traditional business, and I was 50 years old. I left my traditional business, and I joined the online business because it is comfortable and it's fit with my age, with my skills, with my mentality, with the society I'm joining now. So it's really amazing. I like it. I enjoy every moment in my life, because I am connecting with the elite people, the masterminds, the people who have a really good time freedom, location freedom, and even financially sufficient. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, drop me a line, comment below, visit my website. If you have any question or want more support, email me. You can find my business email below, and check my channel, because I'm uploading daily videos about my life experience, sharing the experience I had since starting my online business. And I'm wishing you all the best. All, thank you for watching, and see you. Bye.